In a world driven by technology, staying ahead in the game means mastering the latest in-demand tech skills. Welcome to our guide on the top 12 tech skills in demand in 2024. Number 12. Networking maintenance. With the ever-expanding digital landscape, businesses rely on seamless network infrastructure to keep operations running smoothly. From troubleshooting to optimizing performance, networking maintenance professionals are indispensable. Number 11. Mobile app development. Mobile app development continues to dominate the tech scene. From iOS to Android, companies are seeking skilled developers to create user-friendly and innovative applications that captivate audiences. Number 10. UI/UX design. UI/UX design plays a crucial role in enhancing user experiences. In a world where aesthetics meet functionality, designers who can craft intuitive interfaces are in high demand. Number 9. Game development. Game development is not just child's play anymore. With the gaming industry booming, developers with expertise in creating immersive experiences are sought after to push the boundaries of entertainment. Number 8. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is revolutionizing various sectors, from finance to healthcare. Professionals skilled in blockchain development and implementation are at the forefront of this digital revolution. Number 7. Digital marketing. Digital marketing continues to evolve with advancements in technology. Those who can harness data insights to create targeted campaigns across multiple platforms are invaluable assets to businesses. Number 6. Data science. Data science unlocks the power of data, driving informed decision-making and predictive analysis. As companies strive to remain competitive, skilled data scientists are in high demand to extract actionable insights from vast amounts of information. Number 5. Data analytics. Data analytics is the backbone of informed business strategies. Analysts proficient in interpreting data trends and patterns are essential for driving growth and innovation. Number 4. Software development. Software development remains a cornerstone of the tech industry. Whether it's building scalable applications or optimizing existing systems, skilled developers are at the heart of technological innovation. Number 3. Cloud computing. Cloud computing has transformed the way businesses operate, offering scalability and flexibility like never before. Experts in cloud technologies are in high demand to manage and secure data storage and processing in the cloud. Number 2. Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is a top priority in an increasingly digital world. With cyber threats on the rise, professionals who can safeguard sensitive information and protect against cyber attacks are indispensable. Topping the list is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. From machine learning to natural language processing, experts in AI are driving innovation across industries, shaping the future of technology. Whether you're just starting your tech journey or looking to level up your skills, mastering these in-demand tech skills will open doors to exciting opportunities in 2024 and beyond. Thank you for watching.